What? Like, what's even going on? I'm angry. I have them in my hot little hands. I have the Rhode Peptide lip shapes. I was gonna do like a whole trying to make a video and show you other products, but you know what? I'm like, I am so excited about this damn launch from Rhode. And I'm like, no, you know what? I am doing a whole ass video dedicated to this product because I just knew that I was probably gonna be in love with it. So these are the new Rhode Peptide lip shapes. Rhode sent me 4 shades of my choosing. They retail for $24. Hailey Bieber has been teasing these for quite some time now, and every single time I've seen her apply them, I'm like, that is a product for me. I have tried these, and spoiler alert, I am over the moon about them. This is not a traditional liner product, first and foremost. This is truly like a hybrid between a lipstick and a liner. It is a creamy emollient product. It is meant to shape and contour your lips. It is meant to be incredibly workable, easily diffused. And the most brilliant part of this product, I believe, is the dual end, which has a silicone smudger on it, and it really does make all the difference. So I'm gonna show you all 4 of the shades I got. I got 2 lighter pinkier shades, and then I got 2 brownie shades. I'm going to show you every shade on my lips. I'm gonna swatch them on my arm. I'm going to show you what they look like with the peptide lip tints over them, what they look like with a proper lipstick over them. Rhode really did the thing with this launch. After their blush and summer peptide lip tint release, I was like, I don't know how they're gonna follow this up, but surely enough, they did. So this is the description of the product from the Rhode website. Enhance your lips effortlessly. Peptide lip shape combines soft focus color and high performance skincare to give your lips dimension. Creamier and more seamless than a lip liner, it glides on to create a contoured effect and delivers efficacious ingredients that visibly enhance lip volume. And the ingredients in it are as follows. Peptides, which are a short chain of 3 amino acids that help soften lips for a visibly smoother appearance and are known to boost hydration. Never heard of this one before, but fenugreek extract. Derived from organic fenugreek sprouts, it visibly enhances the look of lip volume and gives lips a firmer appearance. So first I'm gonna swatch all of these on my arm so you can see what they look like. First, I'm going in with the lightest, pinkiest shade I got. This is called Lift, and it is a soft, neutral pink. And there is the shade Lift, and you can see how creamy that goes on. Okay, so the next shade we have is Press, and this is a warm pinky mauve, and there is Press. Next, moving on to the brownie shades, this is called Lunge, and Lunge is described as a rosy beige. And then the deepest shade I got is called Twist, and this is described as a warm taupe. So those are the 4 shades. Before we get going on the lip shapes, I want to show you what I have on my cheeks. I probably should have applied this on camera because I do have the Rhode blushes on my cheeks. One of my favorite cream blushes of all time. This is another launch, like I said, that I just lost my mind about. And I mostly have the shade Juice Box on, which is a really approachable bright pink. I'm all about the bright pink blush lately. You probably noticed if you've been watching my channel. And then I just have a little bit of the shade Piggy, which is a cool, soft baby pink just on the apples. Love this combination. I feel like not many people talk about the shade Juice Box. I don't understand why, because it's maybe my favorite. The thing I love about Rhode too is that their makeup launches are skincare centered. They always have a skincare element that is really legitimate to their makeup products. Oh, and they also sent me this beautiful compact. It's kind of giving like the Merit compact, the gold one that they came out with a few years ago. This is so pretty. I haven't peeled the stickers off of the mirror yet, but thank you so much, Rhode, for sending all this my way. Although I do have to say, after receiving this compact, I don't know that any other compacts can compare. This is the brand new Merit compact, and it is their collaboration with Completed Works. That's the jewelry brand that collaborated with them a while back. This is inspired by that jewelry. Not a Rhode product, but had to mention it because this is what I'm using constantly. This is literally the most beautiful compact I've ever seen. And it's also like beautifully weighted. There's a really like satisfying heft to this in the hand. It's also designed like their retrospect perfume bottles to fit beautifully in your hand. This will probably be the only compact I'll be using. And the other thing I want to say about it is the size on the mirrors in this compact are really nice. They're a little bit bigger than a normal size compact mirror. I do want to mention before I get going that everything I'm talking about here today will be linked down below in the description box, along with everything I'm wearing on my my face that I didn't talk about. Okay, so first we're gonna go in with this shade, which is Lift. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this is my favorite shade of the 4 shades I got. When I tell you that this liner literally lines itself, like I am barely doing anything. It just glides on. Yeah, this is really, really close to my lip color, which is why it's my favorite. And now I'm filling in the lips. Is that not just the most beautiful, like cool toned pink nude lip? It's cool toned without making me look dead, and we love that. And then you go in with the silicone smudger on the other side, and you may not think this is gonna do a lot. Like there's really not a lot to do because it's already such a beautiful creamy product on its own. Oh, but it really makes a difference. It just adds that extra level of softness. It really helps the product melt into your lips, melt into your skin. See, I've overlined my lips, but you kind of can't tell, which is what I'm always going for with liner. High praise for this formula, because oftentimes what I find when I go in with the liner and I line my lips, and I do this whole technique that I'm doing now where I also fill my lips in with the liner as well, and then I go over that with a gloss, it's too much product. It's like the liner's too heavy, and then combined with the gloss, it just gets like kind of mucky and gross. That combination is often too much, and I find myself having to like wipe it off, tamp it down. That does not happen with this formula. This formula is incredibly emollient and creamy. However, it is thin as well. It is so spreadable. It is so workable. I cannot get over this shade on my lips. This product is the antithesis of a crisp liner product. The whole idea behind this product is blurred, diffused lips. You can get messy with it and it doesn't matter because you've got this silicone smudger to save the day if you feel like things need to be softened. I love this on its own, but I am of course going to show you what this looks like with one of their peptide lip tints. They did send me the peptide lip tint in the shade Toast, which I didn't have. And I've been wanting to swatch Toast next to Salty Tan. Salty Tan was one of their limited edition summertime shades, and I love this shade. I'm just curious what the difference is. So Salty Tan, sorry she's not available, super sad about that, but that's Salty Tan. And then here we have the shade Toast. I know they're close, but yeah, Toast is definitely more browny. So for this shade, I think I'm gonna go in with Salty Tan because I think that's gonna be perfect. Yeah, it's like a dead-on shade match. What's even going on? I'm angry. That looks good on its own with no gloss or with gloss. You just really can't go wrong. Okay, so the next shade is Press, and she's a deeper pinky situation. And I don't like to have my lips too hydrated when I put this product on. I mean, you don't want to have like dry ass parched lips. You want to make sure your lips are hydrated, but you don't want your lips to have like balmy product on them. And I feel like it adheres better if your lips are dry. I love Press as well. And this is a deeper shade for me, so I feel like even more so, I definitely need the smudger in this case. I want to really soften things, buff them out. Damn, and that's exactly what this does. Like, I don't know if you can see how subtle the buffing is, but it just perfects your lips and makes everything look so much more natural. That looks so beautiful and honestly looks even better than it did when I just applied it on its own. Like this smudger is magic. And I think I'm gonna take the shade Shortcake, another shade that I'm so sorry. I don't know why they made these unavailable. I love these summer shades. I am gonna use this shade Shortcake, which is one of my favorite peptide lip tint shades that they came out with. Just gorgeous. That also definitely goes really well with the cheek I have going on. Okay, pay attention to all of my brown lip lovers because you're gonna love these next shades. Okay, so next we're going in with the shade Lunge. Okay, well, maybe I like this shade too. I don't normally gravitate to brown lip shades. And then taking the smudger. I feel like this product is very French because you can be very messy with it, which is kind of the whole point, and yet it still ends up looking incredible. Okay, and that is the shade Lunge on her own. Okay, now I'm actually gonna use a peptide lip tint that's available. I'm gonna use the shade they sent me, which is Toast. Okay, so there is the shade Lunge with Toast over the top, and it's really pretty. I will say this combination is probably a little bit too warm tone brown for me, but still gorgeous. Okay, and we have one shade left. This is called Twist. Okay, and there is Twist. I think I like Twist for me better than the previous shade Lunge. I don't know, it's just a little bit more flattering. I think it's a little bit more like neutral, maybe cool toned. And with this, I'm gonna go over it with a proper lipstick just for something different. This is my favorite shade of the Merit lipstick in the shade Classic. This is a pretty lip liner shade, but I personally do feel like I need something a little bit pinkier or else I feel a little dead. That's actually a really complimentary combination. All right, guys, so those are the 4 shades. Which one of these was your favorite? Now, there are 9 shades in the shade range, so there's something for everyone. Like I said, I love the first 2 shades on me better. I think they kind of, you know, align more with my skin tone and my lip color. But I wanted to show you a variety of shades, and I also know that the brown lip is like super in. My final thoughts on these are Run, Do Not Freaking Walk. This is such an innovative product. It truly is a hybrid between a lip liner and a lipstick. I feel like you need like next to no skill level to use these. They really do almost like apply themselves. And again, if you get out of the lines or whatever, that's what the smudger is for. Like it's a no-fail product. I can't remember the last time I was excited about a lip liner or like lip liner like product launch. I think I'm gonna say that's like never happened. Okay guys, that wraps up this video. I hope this is helpful. I would love to hear your thoughts down below, what shade you're interested in, if this sounds like it's up your alley. I didn't even mention the drink I made myself because I was so damn excited to get into the product and I barely drank it. But anyway, you guys are the best. Please stay safe out there and cheers till next time.